The Zoom H1n is a compact, portable audio recording device that is simple to use with high-quality results. The H1n is powered by two AAA batteries found in the compartment on the rear of the device. There is also a 1/4-20 thread allowing it to be connected to a tripod. The H1n records to a micro SD card found in the card slot on the right side of the device. However, you will not need to remove the SD card. On the same side is the mic line-in input jack, which allows users to connect an external microphone that has a 3.5mm output. This side also features the power button and the micro USB port, which will be used for transferring media, but can also be used to power the device when connected to a USB power adapter. To turn on the device, slide down the power button and hold until it turns on. The LCD screen features several important pieces of information. File name, battery life indicator. When not recording, the timecode displayed indicates the remaining recording time on the card. When the device is recording, the timecode indicates the elapsed time of the current recording. Volume meters for left and right channels with decibel levels indicated underneath. Recording format, which displays the audio sample rate and bit depth. Press the audio button below to change the format. For most recordings, 48K 16-bit will be sufficient and output a WAV file. Low cut indicator, which will cut out low frequencies that can be introduced by wind or other noise. While wearing headphones, press the low cut button to change the frequency that you are trying to reduce. Press the limiter button to toggle this off or on. The limiter will help control input signals that have high levels of volume. Auto level indicator. Press the auto level button to toggle this off or on. The auto level function will automatically set the input levels for you and override the main input volume knob. On the left side of the device is the headphone line out jack and the volume control. This volume control will adjust the output volume being heard through the headphones and will not affect the volume of the recording itself. At the top of the device are the external stereo microphones and the input volume knob. This control will affect the input volume of the recording when you are not using the auto level function. To manually set the proper recording levels, check that auto level is off. Then, hold the device about 6 inches from your subject, have them continuously count out loud, and adjust the volume knob until the audio is peaking, or at its loudest point, between -12 and -6 decibels. When to use auto levels versus manual will depend on the type of recording you are creating. The auto levels function can be useful for quick recordings in a relatively quiet environment. However, in a noisier environment, it may create noticeable volume shifts as the device tries to set proper levels during recording. Manual recording is recommended for higher quality recordings that demand more control, such as higher-end voiceover, environmental or field recordings, sound design, or recording musical instruments. To start recording, press the red record button and the red indicator light will turn on. Timecode will begin rolling on the LCD screen. Press record again to stop. You can also press the pause button during a recording to pause in the middle of it and press it a second time to unpause and resume recording. After recording, press the play button to play back the most recent recording. Use the track forward and track backward buttons to navigate to different recordings on the device with their file name indicated at the top of the screen. When you first check out an H1n and before you have done any recording, it is recommended to format the micro SD card, which will permanently erase all data from the card and prepare it for recording. To format the micro SD card, ensure the device is off. Then, on the right side, press and hold down the delete button, represented by the icon of a trash can, and then slide down and hold the power button. This will turn on the device and open the settings options. Use the 4 physical buttons beneath the LCD screen to navigate the menus, and press the down arrow until you get to SD card. Then press the right arrow button. Press the right arrow button again to select Format. Press the up arrow to select Execute, and then press the button for the check mark to begin formatting. When complete, press the left arrow button, then press the button for Exit. To transfer media from the H1n, connect the H1n to a computer via the included USB-C to USB micro cable. On the LCD screen, press the down arrow button to select Card Reader, then press the right arrow button. The LCD screen will display Card Reader. On your computer, an external drive will appear labeled H1n SD. In this drive will be a folder labeled Stereo, then another folder labeled Folder 1, with your recordings inside. Drag and drop these files to your desired location. Eject the drive on the computer, then press Exit on the H1n.